So we just came out of the hotel, booked
And
the...
no, now we're going to show how to book the YANDEX Go cab. So now using this YANDEX Go app, I'm going to go to Monument of Courage. We have to search it, but it's already here, so I'm just going to click on it. So as you can see, there are many options, but I'm going to go with a simple one. So it's looking for a car, the cars which are nearby me. There are 5+ cars nearby me. So it doesn't take that much time if the car is near to you. So the driver is responding. So okay. So now it's arriving in 4 minutes. I'm going to click on details now. So as you can see the color, and if you want to cancel the ride, you can cancel the ride. Then you can see the price, color, and car number, arrival and destination.
So this is next to our hotel. Do we see an Indian flag? Oh yeah, Indian flag is here. Happy to see the Indian flag. This is the Amir Timur Square. This is outside our hotel.
Don't move.
So there's some pretty good cars outside.
Okay. So as you can see, the taxi is arriving in 1 minute, and it is super close to us. So we are just going to go to the pickup point. It's in the pickup point for Hotel Uzbekistan is right in front. Like you just have to come out and like go a little bit like left or right, and you have to wait.
Oh, we got a pretty small car this time. But anyway, that's fine. Yes, enter. Здравствуйте. So now we are inside the cab. So these are the buses for the city tour. For those who are interested to go for the city tour. This is the Amir Timur Square still. I think this is the Amir Timur Road. This is a straight road, I believe.
This is the museum we came yesterday.
Oh yeah.
We have posted a video about it, so please watch it.
Earlier, here there was a trolleybus, tramway, but then looks like they have removed everything, and electric buses they have replaced. So they have replaced with the electric bus. The taxi is very economical and comfortable in Tashkent. And safe as well. You can also select bigger cabs. We went for an economical cab. There is a premium cabs, maybe 2000 or 3000 soums extra. That's like 20-30 rupees extra. I almost have a feeling like being in Middle East actually. The quality is very good. Most of the drivers are very, very polite, especially when we mention that we are Indians. They are so happy to have Indians, and most of the cars are having dash cams for safety. So this is a City Palace Hotel onto our left. This is City Palace Hotel. And then on to our right, we passed by Intercontinental Hotel, I believe. Reached the place. Thank you, spasiba. Yes. Yes. How was the drive?
It was good.
So this is the Monument Square, Monument Statue Square.
We have to cross the road.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Now I'm going to show you how to rate it. So there are many options. So if you 1 star, what went wrong, 2 star, what disappointed you, and everything. If it's 5 star, you can keep what you like the most. So we like the music, polite driver and comfortable driving, and clean interior. If you want, you can add your own comments also. Thank you.